Want to send a Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp directly from your iPhone? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to send a Zoom meeting link, you will need to open the Zoom application on your iPhone. You need to tap on Meet and start a new meeting. You can use your personal ID or create a new ID for every new meeting. Tap on Start a Meeting. After you have started or scheduled a meeting, you can tap on the Participants tab at the bottom of the screen to manage attendees. In the Participants window, you will see an Invite button, which you will need to tap to see more options for sharing. From the Invite menu, you should select the Copy Invite Link option to copy the unique meeting link to your iPhone's clipboard. Now, you can open the WhatsApp application and go to the specific chat or group where you want to share the link. Simply paste the copied Zoom meeting link into the chat box and then tap the Send button to share it with your contacts. And that's how you can send a Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp on your iPhone. A quick and easy way to invite people to your meetings. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.